Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We are working on the YJ today.
Hello everybody, welcome back.
We hope you guys are having a great, wonderful Christmas. Kind of snuck up on us quicker than I cared to, but this is what we're getting into our Christmas and whatnot. So today we're going to be pulling out the motor and getting it on a stand and whatnot, and so let you guys in on that little information, and we'll get this thing rolling.
For me, what, work it, get down, get down, get down, get down.
All right, we're back. So after some time later, we got a whole bunch of stuff undid here in the front. Bumper off, got our power steering taken care of, got the mixer for the propane off. So now we are working on getting our motor mounts loosened up. I went ahead, took out the drive shaft and the shifter, so all that is good and ready to go. And yeah, so what's next? I got to drop down the skid plate and get that all taken out. Transmission's already loosened up. We're just gonna pull the engine and transmission out because I do need to go ahead and put another transfer case in it. And yeah, we're just slowly picking things away and whatnot, and yeah, want to give you guys an update. We'll catch up with you here soon. All right, you guys, we got everything disconnected and whatnot. We got our cherry picker moved up here, and we are about to get this engine pulled. Any comments, Dub?
Nope, ready to get this done and get it built so we can start the playing.
And so anyways, we'll get you guys set up on time lapse, and hopefully this goes well.
Come again.
It's time to call Mom.
We're done.
All right, you guys, it's been a how-to on how to kind of pull out your engine fish at the spring. We'll be right back. Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to the half-hour update. So we got the engine and transmission split, and we got it out of the Jeep. There's a Jeep and all of her glory. So we need to get our clutch off and get this thing put back on the engine stand and get torn apart. I don't know if we're gonna get it torn apart tonight or not, but you guys will know here really soon. So anyways, want to fill you guys in. We're gonna get this clutch pulled off, get it put back on the engine stand. We'll get her going. Well, dadgum. We gotta hold her still.
Pry bar.
You think you put it back over yonder?
Oh, the one you had.
Right here. That one. Ready?
Yeah. Thought it was. Got down the way.
How about now?
How about now? I got her.
Oh, ratchet done slipped in neutral.
I was ready and you weren't.
Okay. Yeah, that's done.
Once you get the
We forgot one step.
Yep.
We got to pull the old fly of wheel off. Milwaukee, please sponsor me. There you go.
order still.
Moss in. Huh? Moss in.
All right, you guys. So we got the engine put on the hoist, the stand, or whatever you want to call it, and got everything tightened down, whatnot. And so, yeah, what do you think? How did today go?
It went very well. Went a whole lot easier than we anticipated. We're tickled to get it out, get it rebuilt, get her done, and we're excited about it.
And so, yeah, we might get toward into this thing tonight. I have no idea. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching.
And we also want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah, Merry Christmas to you guys.
Y'all, and we'll see you. We'll have another video before the new year, I hope.
Hopefully.
All right. Merry Christmas, all.
Merry Christmas to you guys. Hit that like button before you leave. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next one.